Hi everyone! Let's discuss lang yung about sa billing information or yung sa bank na ginagamit nyo on Etsy kasi most of the messages na nakikita ko and comments na nare-receive ko din ay about this error na they cannot set up an account or na-stuck sila dito kasi hindi makapag-proceed because of this billing information error. So kung tatanungin nyo ako what kind of cards do I use or do I recommend, my answer will always be a credit card. I prefer Mastercard over Visa kasi mas ina-accept sila internationally. Now, what kind of bank? Any bank actually. Sa shop ko, I use PNB credit card. Now, yung iba dyan, they cannot get a credit card pa. So, with debit cards naman, I would still suggest na Mastercard ang kunin nyo and make sure may balance when adding it on Etsy. I've been reading some forums about this nung mga nakaraang araw and some of just the solutions na pwede nyong gawin when you encounter this. And if kukontakin nyo rin si Etsy support, probably eto lang din yung isasagot sa inyo. So number 1 would be delete browser cookies or browser cache and then try again. Number 2, make sure nagmamatch yung name mo with the shop owner, with the bank account name, ID, and all. Some people kasi dalawa yung first name nila on the bank account pero isa lang yung nilagay nila sa shop owner. So make sure align siya lahat. Number 3 is currency. The reason why I'm saying na when setting up a shop, Philippine peso muna ang ilagay nyo kasi all your information like yung bank account nyo is peso and ID nyo is Philippines. So I suggest na i-align nyo muna. You can change it to USD naman once nakapag-open ka na ng shop. Number 4, you can try with different browser or itry nyo after 2 to 3 hours. I really don't know if that works pero madami akong nabasa na after the error, they try doing it again for the next 2-3 hours and then nag-okay naman. So, just try it. Last one is contact your bank provider kasi most of them pinablock nila yung mga international platforms and Etsy is one of it. So, contact them kasi baka may kailangan kayong i-turn on na setting sa online banking nyo or maybe may restriction yung cards mo when adding it on some online platforms. Meron kasing mga ganong cards like yung mga cash card na hindi mo siya magagamit sa online transactions. So far, yan lang naman. PayPal is not allowed. Kailangan card talaga. And PayPal is not a card. With virtual banks naman, I heard Maya card works pero marami ring nagkaka-issue doon. Never ko pa ding nakita na may nag-succeed with using GCash, Mastercard, so I don't recommend it. You can try yung Tonic Bank or yung GoTime kasi mas madali daw mag-process doon and it works with Etsy. So just make a research on how to open one. And yun lang naman, kung di pa kayo naka-join sa FB group na ginawa ko, you can check the link sa bio. I already discussed this topic like 3 days ago. So ayun lang, thank you so much and bye-bye.